Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer inventory valuation methods in QuickBooks for taxes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer inventory valuation methods in QuickBooks for tax purposes, begin by logging into your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the Settings menu by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select Account and Settings from the drop-down options. In the left-hand menu, click on Advanced. Locate the Inventory section within the Advanced. You will find the option for Inventory Valuation Method. Choose the current method your business is using, either FIFO, LIFO, or weighted average. Once you have identified your current method, note it down for reference. Next, consult your tax advisor to determine the most tax-efficient inventory valuation method for your business. Decide on the new inventory valuation method you want to implement. Return to the Inventory Valuation Methods section in QuickBooks. Select your new inventory valuation method from the available options. After making your selection, click on Save to apply the changes. Confirm the changes have been saved by revisiting the Inventory section in the Advanced Settings. Once confirmed, run an inventory valuation report to verify the transition reflects correctly in your financial statements. To do this, go back to the main dashboard and locate Reports in the left-hand menu. Search for the Inventory Valuation Summary report to check the results of your new valuation method. Review the report carefully, focusing on how the changes impact your financial position. If discrepancies arise, double-check the method selection and consult your accountant if necessary. This process allows you to effectively transfer your inventory valuation methods in QuickBooks for tax compliance. Keep thorough documentation of the transition for future reference and tax audits. With these steps, you can confidently manage your inventory valuation methods in QuickBooks. Managing your inventory accurately is crucial for both tax reporting and overall business performance. Ensure you stay informed of any changes in tax regulations that may affect your chosen valuation method. Regularly revisit your inventory valuation strategies as your business grows and market conditions change. This will help maintain your organization's financial health and compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.